Oh, man. Okay, this is another one that was going crazy on Facebook, actually. This was a youth basketball game. Now, it's not the whole story. We have to draw some conclusions based on like this short clip. It's in actually an 8-second clip.
Is there swearing? Can I put audio or no?
I listen to it on mute.
Okay.
For safety.
But you know, like,
the
what's going to happen. Yeah.
Well, okay. So the title, Coach Chokes Ref, then gets punched by another ref. So we're just going to watch it all go down. You can play it back. 8-second clip. There's a ref at a youth basketball game. There's a disagreement.
Jeez.
And the coach goes full blast at the guy, grabbing him around the neck tightly. It's not one of those sort of mock around or near the neck situations. You can tell he's really putting pressure. At which point, the ref, who you, by the way, you do this to a ref. A ref, it's like a young guy, and like, come on, what could possibly result in this? Jeez, man. So anyway, the guy, the ref, who's a little smaller, by the way, than the coach, he reacts by.
Someone punched this guy in the
exactly.
The head too.
So the ref reaches up and grabs the other guy's neck. But I had to watch it a couple times to see him do that because it's not immediate. But his other ref comes to his aid, and you'll see him come in from the side and boom, punch the guy in the side of the head. He comes to defend
I didn't even see that.
his fellow ref.
His glasses fall off.
And and I think he's knocked out. Like, definitely it's over.
Oh, is he knocked out?
Well, he drops. He drops when the punch comes here. Here it is, the punch, boom, and you see he drops.
Right.
He drops down. I presume it's over roughly after that because it looks like the other adults that are there, the other coaching staff,
They're adults.
Well, they don't agree with the guy either.
Yeah.
You can tell they're all like, "Hey, man, what are you doing? Relax, stop." They're trying to get him off. So in the heat of the thing, I mean, I'm sure that dude is stressed about some other stuff in his life. If he's going that hard at a ref in a situation like that, like, we can definitely move forward without doing something like that. But I guess the question is this justified? Like, if you're in that situation, obviously you want to avoid having it go to that extent. But if you're, again, we can ask the chat. The chat is there. Let's see what they say. If you're the other, like, should this guy get punched by the other ref in this case? I think yes. I'm going to skew it. He's got him by the neck. He's got him by the neck. You know how that goes.
Is there a way to just,
tackle?
Yeah, like just take him. I guess a punch would be the fastest.
In a moment like that, when he's your friend and you see the guy has the upper hand and he's choking him, and the other guys, honestly, the guys around him, the rest of the coaching staff should have aggressively pulled him off.
Yeah, especially the guy behind him.
The guy, but it all happens fast, Will. Let me tell you, man.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, man, this stuff, it happens fast, and you really always wish that you treated it differently and responded differently. But ideally, his coaching staff gets to him aggressively enough to stop it before it goes there. But since that didn't happen quickly enough, the other ref came over and said, "You're not going to choke my friend to sleep here." And then
I want to see an update on this.
Yeah.
Hopefully
we'll see.
There's a follow-up.
We'll see if it happens. But that clip is